how to change username of Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on a device and log in if you are not already. Then tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the app. Then on your profile page, all you have to do is tap on the edit profile button available there. Now simply tap on the username option available. Now in the username field, delete your current username and type in the new one you want. Instagram will let you know if the username is available or not. If it's available, you will see a green check mark, and if it is not, then Instagram will let you know that it is already used. After entering your new username, tap on the done or check mark icon, usually in the top right corner of the screen, to save your changes. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.